Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell PEPE coins on Binance. It's really simple and easy. First of all, open the Binance application in your mobile and then just log into your account. Now tap on this wallet or assets tab in the bottom right corner here, and then you need to tap on this port in the top. Once done, you will see how much PEPE coins you own, and if you want to get the overview, then you just have to tap on the PEPE coin in order to see how much PEPE coin do you have and how much USDT you are going to get if you sell them. Once done, you need to tap on this home tab again, then tap on the search bar in the top, and then in the search bar you need to type PEPE/USDT. Once done, you need to make sure that you have selected the USDT pair of PEPE. Now you need to tap on the sell button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Then it will ask you to enter the amount of PEPE that you want to sell. You can even use this slider here to select the percentage, and it will automatically select the amount, and it will automatically convert the USDT that you will get after selling your PEPE coins. Once done, you just have to tap on the sell PEPE button and you are good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to sell PEPE coin on Binance. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.